If iTunes gets stuck on preparing iPhone for restore, you can try the following solutions to resolve the issue effectively. Way 1. Restart your iPhone and computer. A simple restart can fix many temporary system glitches that may interrupt the restore process. To restart your iPhone, hold the power button, slide to turn off, then hold power again to restart your iPhone. To restart your computer, for Mac, click the Apple icon on the menu bar and choose Restart. For PC, click the Start menu at the lower left corner, just power tap the Restart option. Way 2. Update the iTunes version. To update iTunes on Windows PC, open Apple Software Update from the Start menu. Let it check for updates, and click Install if a newer version of iTunes is available. To update iTunes on Mac, open iTunes on your Mac, click iTunes in the Apple menu bar, then select Check for Updates. Way 3. Change a different USB cable and port. Use a working USB 2.0 or another port with an Apple certified cable to restore or update your iPhone, as faulty or dirty ports and cables can cause issues. Way 4. Avoid using a USB hub. Avoid connecting your iPhone through a USB hub, as some hubs may overheat and slow data transfers. For a more reliable iTunes restore, connect your iPhone directly to the computer's USB port. Way 5. Use another computer. If iTunes gets stuck while preparing your iPhone for restore, the issue may be caused by your computer. Try connecting your iPhone to another computer with iTunes installed and restore it again. Way 6. Check Wi-Fi connectivity. Unstable Wi-Fi can slow down or interrupt iTunes from connecting to Apple servers, causing the preparing iPhone for restoration process to take a long time. Using a stable Wi-Fi connection can speed it up. Way 7. Uninstall the antivirus software. Temporarily disable or uninstall third-party antivirus software before restoring or updating your iPhone, as it may interfere with iTunes' connection to Apple servers. Way 8. Try restoring your iPhone in recovery mode. Above all, ensure that the iTunes or Finder runs the latest version on your computer. Then, boot your device into recovery mode with these steps. iPhone 8 and above, press volume up, volume down quickly, then hold the side button to enter recovery mode. iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold the side plus volume down buttons together until your iPhone gets into recovery mode. iPhone 6 and earlier, press and hold the home plus side buttons simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. Next, connect your iPhone to the computer as you normally do. When it displays the restore or update options in front of you, choose the restore option and complete the whole process. Way 9. Fix the issue with a professional system repair tool. If basic fixes don't work, the problem may be due to deeper iOS or iTunes system errors. In that case, using an iOS system repair tool can help automatically fix issues like restore failures, boot loops, update errors, and iTunes problems without technical expertise. Step 1. Install and run the software on your computer. Then, connect your iPhone to the computer via a USB cable and tap More Tools iOS System Recovery to continue. Step 2. The app will automatically detect your device problem. After it displays the issue on the interface, tap Start to proceed. Step 3. Confirm the device information on the interface. If needed, choose the correct information from the drop-down lists. Later, click the Repair button to fix the iTunes stuck on preparing iPhone for restore issue. Way 10. Contact Apple support for help. Suppose nothing works to resolve your problem, or your iPhone gets physical damage. In that case, you can make an appointment from the Apple support page ahead of time and bring your iPhone and the purchase receipt to the nearest Apple store for help.